In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new items and services on Freshbooks. A smooth and efficient process in Freshbooks can really enhance the way you manage your finances and services, so let's jump into it and make sure you know each step clearly. First, on your FreshBooks dashboard, you need to find your way to the Items and Services section. It's conveniently located in the left side menu. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing what you offer, whether it's products or services. By knowing exactly where this section is, you'll save time and get straight into managing your offerings. Once you're in the Items and Services section, take a look around. You'll notice a button labeled Create New. Go ahead and click on that. This button is essentially your gateway to expanding your stats with new items or services. Each new addition starts here, making it an essential part of keeping your books up to date. Now, you'll need to decide what you're adding. Is it an item or a service? Clicking Create New will give you options to choose from. Think about what you're offering. If it's a tangible product, you'll go with Item. If it's a professional service, well, choosing Service would be the most appropriate. This choice helps organize your records, ensuring everything is neatly categorized. Next up, you'll be entering all the important details that describe your item or service. Start with the name. When naming, aim for clarity and simplicity. After all, this is what will pop up anywhere the item or service is mentioned within your FreshBooks account. Following that, dive into the description. Adding a detailed description is your opportunity to give more context. It tells clients exactly what you're offering and helps clarify any specifics that the name might not fully capture. Also, if you're using the accounting features within FreshBooks, you'll want to select the appropriate income account. This categorization is crucial for ensuring that all incoming payments are accurately tracked and applied to the correct account. Afterward, set the rate. The rate needs to be clear and reflective of your charging structure. Whether it's a flat fee or hourly rate, make sure it's precise. Don't forget about taxes. You need to apply any relevant taxes that comply with your local regulations. This not only keeps you compliant, but also assures clients of the complete pricing picture. Once you've filled out all these details, it's time to save your work. Click on Save to finalize the addition. This step is key as it commits all the details you've just entered and adds the item or service to your list. Now, whenever you need to use or reference this item or service, it's ready and waiting right at your fingertips in FreshBooks. And there you have it, simple steps to efficiently add new items and services in FreshBooks. Following these instructions will help you keep accurate records and manage your business offerings seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.